We'll see how it feels, see how comfortable the seat is, and then we'll try it in the back, and then we'll see go from there.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Hey, yo! I'm not comfortable with that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Feels more comfortable. It's amazing that, like, 2 inches makes that big of a difference.
Proud of that.
I am. That was good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Blue Garage. I'm Greg. We got a project from Desert Does It. A little booster seat for little guys like me. Just kidding. This is actually supposed to lift the seat up, put it at a little bit of an angle, so it makes the truck a lot easier or more comfortable to ride in. So as you saw in the last video, we did the steering wheel. Time to do another interior project. All projects aren't just performance or cosmetic. Sometimes they're for comfort. Let's go. This is the first time I'm opening this box as well, so you get to see it with me for the first time. Swedish fish. Got our instructions on a nice little QR code on both of these. And I see something cool that's going on in the toolbox. Some stickers. Got some bolts and more brackets. I got some for the driver and passenger side. And that is all in here other than my receipt. Let me get everything unpackaged and we'll lay it out for you and I'll explain what is what. All right, guys, so we have the brackets front and back. I assume we'll find out whenever we look under the seat. All we have to do is lift those bolts out or loosen those bolts out. They're going to fit one way. I assume there's going to be 2 areas where these will just rest in place, lock in place, and then we insert the washer and the bolt from the top. Pretty easy, pretty simple job. This is a 1 out of 5 difficulty according to Desert Does It on their own website. So should be pretty good to go, pretty easy. We do have some Loctite to put on the bolts as well. And as I said, Swedish fish and some stickers. Let's go.
I ain't scared of nothing, really they come from nothing. Boys think they the same, but all them niggas fronting. Why they mouth keep running, I've been up to something.
We all have our comfort in the vehicles, set in our seat the specific way that we want it. However, the seat doesn't give you that tilt, right? So that's what these brackets are gonna do. They lift the seat. You have the choice of just doing it in the front and in the back or just in the front. So I'm gonna try it just in the front to start out. We'll see how it feels, see how comfortable the seat is, and then we'll try it in the back and then we'll see go from there. All right, since we're starting here, all I'm gonna do is just move the seat all the way back. Not move it up too once it gets there. Actually, shouldn't even need to. Plenty of room here. You need a T50. I need a tool sponsor. Anybody out there, please? Now that those are loose, I'm gonna move the seat all the way forward so I can loosen up the back. Now I'm going to loosen up the 2 on the back. A little tighter back here. Probably could have moved it a little forward. Make sure your seat's all the way up and forward. Time to get back up front so we can install the front set. Now that we have the bolts completely out on the front, loosened in the back, we are going to get our Loctite and apply it to our bolts and put our brackets in place. I am going to put the brackets in the front on the driver's side, and then I'll do front and back on the passenger side, just so I can compare. This is a T40 for the new bolt. Okay, so got this side. Now that that's done, let's do the back. Just tighten that down. Back to the T50 because these are the stock bolts. Simple there. We'll give it a feel and just see how it goes, and then we'll go with the passenger side. To be honest, this is like a very natural way of sitting. This feels more comfortable. And it's amazing that like 2 inches makes that big of a difference.
You're proud of that?
I am. That was good. This is honestly is very comfortable. It feels natural. I feel like I'm in a living room piece of furniture now, you know, much more natural seated position rather than, I guess, more level. So it's nice. Sweet. Let's do the passenger side. Gonna move the seat all the way back first just to loosen up the bolts in the front, or actually remove the bolts in the front. This time on the passenger side, we are going to do brackets both front and back. We'll see a time lapse now.
The threats before they could get to me first, a gift and a curse, cause I gotta clean up the mess. I gotta feel like the best to really believe on the best. We almost completed the test, but then you get hit with another one. Fuck it, we get it done. Heat up the engine, we revving up, letting it off, but we never letting up. Ready or not, we coming for anyone. Everyone talk about bodies, so somebody bury one. And
I forgot I even had power seat on this side because I never come over here, you know. So that is kind of nice to know. Even though it's higher, now there's a little bit of option, more play with the seat than a standard like just lever seat would do. All right, now I'm gonna position this one just like I would on the driver's side. It's obviously gonna feel different. I want to have the steering wheel in front of me, but the way I always ride is the back all the way down and the front like halfway up. All right, let's see. I mean, to me, this is nice. Yeah, I might become a passenger princess. This is sweet.
Getting that mo, we letting it off, whatever the cost. Get out and give him that dog. Get out and give him that dog. Show out and getting that mo, we letting it off, whatever the cost.
Thank you for tuning in to another video. This is super easy install. Might have taken 10 minutes. Again, had I not been recording myself and maneuvering cameras around with Daniel, he kills it every time, makes me look good, and you guys help the channel grow. I think right now we're around 5,200, 5,300 as we make this video. By the time it posts, who knows where we're going to be. We're growing really fast, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you guys very much. And I want to say again, thank you to Desert Does It for sending out the GM seat jackers. I did just the front of the driver's side and the front and the rear brackets on the passenger side. So I'm going to give it a go, drive around a little bit with just the front on the driver's side, see how I like it. If I need to, I'll install the rear. But as you guys know, time for the sticker install on the toolbox. They got the sweet sunset, desert sunset with the Joshua tree, place I am not too far from and have been there before. Love it. So let's throw this on here. I got a good spot for it.
My steps, I handle the L's, I learned from the best. I came back a monster, I murdered.
Boom. Looks good, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to get your set of seat jackers from Desert Does It. See you guys next time. Swedish fish.
Ready or not, we coming for anyone. Everyone talk about bodies, so somebody bury one. And I'll be the Undertaker. I was showing y'all love, but I'm done with favors. I'll be switching the style, got a ton of flavors. Say something for later. I done a hater for the love of the game. It's a fun behavior. We can up the wager. I was independent, no love from majors. Still turn crumbs to paper. I'm a money machine. The shit's in my jeans. Run up the numbers like it's a routine. I'm going for blood.